Hello! I still have another type of the dry strips. It's residue-free strips and they are really amazing. I tried cranberry flavor and now I'm super excited to try these teeth whitening strips, which are residue-free, and they have beautiful flavor of lime and mint. I'm super excited because after the cranberry, I can tell you, I was amazed that while I removed them, it was completely clean surface. No need to wash my teeth, no need to rinse them with water. So this one was very convenient. So very beautiful package with all the necessary instructions. And of course, inside we have our beautiful shade guide. So what's the color of our teeth? And of course, here are our strips. Very beautiful green color. And now I'm gonna to try one of them. Let's open it. And what I love that it's very convenient to take them with you anywhere and anytime. The longer it's for upper teeth and the shorter it's for lower teeth. First of all, what we should do, we should peel it off with a dry hand. And it's very important, we need to press them as close to the gums as it is possible. Nice. Immediately I feel this freshness of the mint. So nice feeling. And now let's do with the second one, which is necessary for the lower teeth. Nice. Now let's wait from 30 to 60 minutes. I'm back. And I'm curious about our result. The lower one. And the upper one. What I love that it's completely clean surface. You see? Now I'm ready to do whatever I wish and my teeth, they will just shine with beauty and it's absolutely comfortable and safe. So you can use it and enjoy the result.